Handsome. No,
Okay. Thank you.
Komandan. You come.
What is your future plan of life? Assalamualaikum. Where are you from?
Indonesia yuk.
Where are you from? Your country.
Indonesia.
Oh, just I am from Bangladesh. Do you know our country, Bangladesh? This is our beautiful country.
Oh, you know?
Bangladesh. Assalamualaikum.
Yes.
Already I have followed you. Yeah, of course. Can you speak English?
Yes.
Yeah. Just,
Sedikit apa sedikit.
are you three sisters? Are you three sisters? Three sisters, are you?
No.
Your mother is talking to you. Mother.
Nggak ngerti. Cooking lah. Cooking itu makan masak. Mana cookingnya mah? Pada mama mau masak katanya.
Do you study? Do you study? Do you study? Student.
Oh, study. Oh. No.
Oh, okay.
Karyawan.
Basically, I am a private teacher.
Stop.
English teacher. I teach English.
Administrasi. Iya tuh apa?
Teacher.
Apa guru bahasa Inggris? Oh.
I teach two subjects.
Good job.
Teacher. Are you interested to learn English? Are you interested to learn English? I can support you. I can help you. Are you interested to learn English?
Oh, aku bisa bantumu. Oke.
Okay, just
Oke. Dia kan step katanya biar bantu. Iya. Mau belajar e-learning itu.
what is your favorite hobby? What is your favorite hobby?
Traveling enggak? Iya, masih.
What?
Swimming.
Okay. Thank you. That's my favorite hobby. Reading books. When I get a free time, I read different kinds of books. Spoken English book. Basically, I am a college lecturer.
Kan di situ PNS kan?
Yeah, of course.
Apa kerja PNS di situ ya? Ada enggak PNS di situ?
Okay. Just
Oke katanya. Are you job?
Teacher. English teacher.
Iya, kata guru. Dari tadi guru bahasa Inggris katanya bertanya lagi. Oh, enggak mungkin yang nonton ke orang Indonesia gelap.
What is her name?
Username. Siti Zainab.
Oh.
Siti Fatima.
Okay. Please tell me.
Okay.
Tell me separately your introduction. Could you please introduce yourself within short sentence about yourself? Little sentence. Ya.
Ngomong alon-alon. Aku mandar.
Oh. Actually, do you like to sing a song?
Nyanyi. Yes.
Oh.
My name is Jenny.
Please,
Nyanyi, enggak tahu bahasa Inggris. Sing a song.
recite us.
Sing a song.
Actually, you are so funny. Girls.
You handsome.
Funny.
Handsome. Jenny go.
Actually,
Iwan, siapa?
if you are interested to learn English, I can help you.
Dari me.
I-
Dari me. Are you married? Are you married?
Are you interested? Are you interested? Are you? No. I am single. Single.
Oh, good. Agi.
Will you come to visit our country? Will you come? Will you come to visit? I am 25.
How are you?
I am 25. 25. 25. 25. Yeah.
25.
How old are you?
25.
How old are you?
Usia tadi berapa? 26.
26. Okay.
30.
There is no problem. It is simple. Are you interested?
Oh.
Are you interested to visit our country, Bangladesh? Are you interested to visit our country, Bangladesh?
Mau ke Bangladesh katanya. No. Tidak dong. Jauh sangat. Cuan kata. Tidak ada apa? Tidak ada biar money. No money.
No money. Okay. Actually,
minta transfer.
your hijab style is very fine, attractive. Hijab style, excellent. Hijab. Nice.
Pakai hijab, excellent, bagus. Pakai hijab. Thank you.
Nice.
Thank you.
Because we are too Muslim. We should put. We should put.
I Muslim katanya.
Yeah, we should put hijab. Excellent. Nice.
Kristen. Hindu Buddha.
Excellent.
Kau percaya? Awak orang Minang. Orang Minang. You know Minang?
Yeah, of course.
Goyang nasi padang.
Are you interested to marry me? No. Please listen. Are you interested to marry me? Are you interested to marry me? Because I am graduate student.
Yes. No. Dia nak marry dengan aku aja. Kalau nggak mau, suruh datang ke Indonesia. Yes. Indonesia. You come Indonesia.
If I get a free chance, I will visit your country, Indonesia, because Jakarta, capital city Jakarta. My cousin lives. Jakarta, Indonesia. Yeah.
Ngapain? Poin itu apa artinya? Kena why? Kenapa sih?
Oh, actually, what is your future plan of life? What do you want to do in future? Your future plan of life. Aim in life.
Pulang belajar bahasa Inggris.
What is your aim in life?
Bangke, belajar dari Bangladesh kan dia.
Yeah.
No. Uncle, assalamualaikum. No comment.
Actually, you are so funny. Funny.
Ya so baik. Ini engkau situ tu biarlah. Ada cantik. Ayo. Elok, Pet. Cari yang lain, Pet.
Please, have you any questions about me?
Nyo pakai efek juga bukannya matanya. Mungkin dia itu.
Any questions about me?
Ada ngerti kami tu.
Okay, please listen.
Fall back.
I am showing you.
Follow. Follow.
Already, yeah, of course. I am helping you. Please wait. No, please wait.
Ada nyuruh baca buku dah.
Wait.
You follow.
Wait.
Tunggu. Yes. Tunggu. Yo nyanyi ni loh, Bang. Ayo ketika
Your country, Indonesia. Please look. Your country, Indonesia. Am I right? Sure.
Indonesia.
Just
Wah, kurusnya.
Indonesia. We can divide your country into four parts. 4 parts in Indonesia.
Jadi sekarang susah ya jadi kata.
Okay. Wait. Just one part. Just one part of the word is called syllable.
Aku gelak, Kak. Megek gitu.
Yeah. Do you know?
Emang tikunnya
Do you know what is syllable?
gelak, Kak.
Do you know what is syllable? Basic English grammar. Do you know?
Oh, Kak.
Yang belum masuk. Kalau lagi susu kok tidur mahasiswa kalau dibikinnya.
No.
Please try to speak English. Try to speak English. Try to speak English.
Baca nanti.
Okay.